So this is an excellence standards framework. Fewer than a dozen countries in the world actually have a national blockchain roadmap. UK is now one of them. The framework is excellence standards framework, a set of recommendations to, as I position the UK at the forefront of DLT leadership and making UK a center of excellence in distributed ledger technologies. So you had various consultations with the stakeholders over the past months to put together this document. It's very futuristic, what the Vision 2030 would look like for blockchain in the UK and beyond. The need for that was when Mark Walport's report was published in 2016. We didn't have that much discussion on DAOs or NFTs or DeFi and Lightning Network and others. So there are many other emerging modalities. So there was a need to kind of come up with a very forward-looking, futuristic plan. So as mentioned, we have some really key recommendations in the report. One is the formation of subspecialty groups, and one entire subspecialty group has been dedicated to emerging tech, like NFTs, DeFi, Lightning Network. Then there is allied disciplines. There's a lot of convergence, as you know, AI and IoT and others. Another important recommendation is quadruple helix ecosystem, which is essentially working with all stakeholders, government, academia, industry, and society. Why is it important? We have seen recently with the infrastructure bill in the US that there seemed to be a disconnect between policymakers and the industry. If you look at, for example, Bitcoin mining issue, the industry is saying that Bitcoin mining is green and 70% is green and renewable resources. Then we have sociologists, anthropologists saying it is harmful for the society and so on. So every now and then we have some disparities and disconnect in various stakeholders in the ecosystem. So I think it's very important that we work together. It is important that we now measure the societal impact of blockchain applications. What we are doing, is it making an impact?